right now we're seeing healthcare hitting a new high, but last year it was one of the laggards. It was basically flat. Why all of a sudden is healthcare getting so much investor interest and moving higher?
Yeah, I think you have a couple of, combination of factors. Some are specific to the healthcare group, and some are specific to the overall macro environment. So first of all, the idea of lower interest rates are better for certainly healthcare, biotech stocks in particular. So you have that. I think you're getting a little bit more clarity on, what the political environment might be like over the next few years, and that's always important for healthcare stocks. And then you combine that, with a sector that was really beaten down, very underowned, underperformed, oversold, and I think it's set the stocks up well for, and the sector up well for this year.
All right, so obviously the sector is performing very well this year. We just mentioned hitting a high. Your top pick in the space is Merck. You have it at a buy and a 138 price target. What is it about Merck that makes it your top pick?
Sure. I mean, we have I think, a particularly unique focus within our coverage universe. We focus very heavily in oncology. And so, Merck is a big oncology player. Of course, it's a big diversified company, so it's not its only sector. But I think what we like about Merck is that this pipeline has critical mass that investors are finally seeing and recognizing and valuing. And it's important because that critical mass of pipeline and the flow of new products over the next decade is really what is going to sustain the company as its largest product, which is an oncology drug called Keytruda, begins to lose exclusivity later in the decade. And that has been a huge overhang for the stock. Keytruda is a significant component of Merck's revenue, and the visibility on seeing how the company can sustain itself through the later part of the decade, 2028 and beyond, when Keytruda begins to lose exclusivity, has been a really important focus for investors. So a combination of that pipeline and collaborations and acquisitions really has changed the nature of how investors view that.
All right, so you're mentioning some overhangs for that stock, but isn't that an overhang for the entire healthcare sector? At least when we're talking about bio and pharma, there's a lot of drugs that are about to lose that exclusivity. And also we're seeing the government try to institute some price controls. How do you see that impacting the sector going forward throughout the rest of the year?
Sure. Exclusivity, loss of exclusivity is always a feature within the healthcare universe. And I think what's important here is understanding what are the alternatives and what can sustain these companies going forward. And so what we're also seeing at the same time, I think, is the development of really big new classes of drugs that are very consumer friendly, like obesity is one of them, and cardiovascular, where we're seeing new entrants in the cardiovascular space. These are big, huge consumer-oriented drugs that really change the dynamics of not just the markets that these companies are in, but also how investors, and in particular, not just specialists, but generalists, view these stocks.